nation, and world community. A scout is helpful. A scout is concerned about other people. He willingly volunteers to help others without expecting payment or reward. A scout is a friend to all. He is a brother to other scouts. He seeks to understand others. He respects those with ideas and customs that are different from his own. A scout is courteous. A scout is polite to everyone regardless of age or position. He knows that good manners make it easier for him to get along together. A scout understands there is strength in being gentle. He treats others as he wants to be treated. He does not harm nor kill any living creature needlessly, but would strive to save and protect all harmless life. Obedience. A scout follows the rules of his family, school, and troop. He obeys the laws of his community and country. If he thinks these rules and laws are unfair, he tries to have them changed in an orderly manner rather than disobey them. A scout is cheerful. A scout looks for bright side of life. He cheerfully does tasks that comes his way. He tries to make others happy. He is thrifty. A scout works to pay his way and help others. He saves for the future. He protects and conserves natural resources and carefully uses his time and property. He can face danger, even if he is afraid. He has the courage to stand for what he thinks is right, even if others laugh at him or threaten him. A scout is clean. A scout keeps his body and mind fit and clean. He goes around with those who believe in living by the same ideals. He helps keep his home and community clean. A scout is reverent. A scout is reverent towards God. He is faithful in his religious duties. He respects and believes the beliefs of others.
Yeah.